Okay, here we have a few central air conditioning units at a liquor store in Dundas, Minnesota. Me and my family are currently here at the liquor store here in Minnesota, and my brother's currently trying the winery here, and I thought I'd get a quick video of the units at this place. So yeah. Here's a American Standard central air conditioning unit. This place is a bunch of leaves and bugs, so I gotta be careful. Pretty sure that has an alliance roll. There's Dave for that. Can't really get to it that well. And then right here, here's a Daikin unit, which is pretty weathered. Probably because of this is like right by a farm. There's a lot of leaves back here. Has been running. And get the data really quick. There's the data. Can't really get to it that well, but yeah. Then right here is another Daikin which is running. There's seed for that. And these two might have replaced older units. Don't know if they replaced American Standards like this one. But yeah. This one's a Silver Series too, I forgot to mention. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these 3 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.